All right, guys, we've got the tin-laid 1,000-piece legal exhibit stickers. These are labels that you can actually peel off and stick. They are 1.65 inches by 1 inches. Let's go ahead, get them out, and show you what we're working with. This is all about the law. And, you know, Jesus talked a lot about the law. The law ain't all you think it is, but let's not get into that today. So here's a sheet. There's 1,000 of these. You can just put, names or labels. This is for like court evidence, I think, and stuff like that. Legal document files, whatever. Yeah, I guess it's for like legal use. So all of you legal people, you can legally use these for your legal use and your exhibits. So basically super easy, boom. You just kind of peel that there. They peel right off. Let's go ahead and stick it to the back of it so you can see how easily stickable it is. So very easy to use. You get 1,000 of these. When I'm looking at the number on the product page, for somebody that uses a lot of these, that is an incredible value, I think, for 1,000. And the fact that they're just easy, peel and go. You don't need to lick anything. Highly recommend legally.